But
Thank you.
why are you so serious? I mean, why are you not having smile wholeheartedly? I mean, I feel that you are suppressing yourself. Hello, Ravi. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
I am feeling great, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also feeling great. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you so much for asking. All right. So, Ravi, I know your name and I know a little bit about yours, but I want you to tell more about yourself. Tell us more about yourself.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Ravi, and I come from Bhadoi city of Uttar Pradesh state.
All right.
Yeah, I recently graduated in English literature from Allahabad State University,
Okay.
and yeah, ma'am, I am preparing for SSC CHSL currently. That is a government job.
Huh?
Apart from that, I have also started a YouTube channel, ma'am, where I have uploaded few videos of English speaking sessions,
Okay.
and I will continue my videos uploading on channel. That is all about me.
Great, great, great. You are doing lots of things together. So it's a good, I mean, start for you. All right. So I would like to ask one question. Why did you choose that subject, English literature?
Ma'am, I was very eager to learn and speak English since my childhood.
Okay.
So I thought I must take English language in my study as well. So
Uh-huh.
my journey will be continue with the language English.
Right. And what is your future planning regarding to your education and study?
So, ma'am, I have recently completed my graduation. After that, I will take admission in MA, Master of Arts,
All right.
and yeah, English will be there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And after completing my MA, if I got job after completing this SSC CHSL exam,
Uh-huh.
then I no need to look for any other job, I think.
All right.
But yeah, after MA, I have planned for teaching.
Teaching.
Yeah,
So you are interested in this teaching field, right?
yes, ma'am.
Do you write poem and stories? Do you have such kind of interest as you have taken this literature as a subject? That's why I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. I love to write poems. I
Uh,
love to read as well.
uh-huh.
And writing is very a good habit in
Correct,
human being.
correct. And I can see the way you are talking. I mean, you are taking enough time to speak. I mean, this is, something I can see. So you are practicing this deliberately, or this is your natural way to talk.
This is my natural way to talk, ma'am. I talk slowly, slowly.
But
I
this is,
don't talk very faster.
yeah, because this is a very good habit to develop. If you speak slowly, then you will have enough time to think. I mean, yeah, to think, and then you can choose words wisely, and then you can express yourself. So it's a very good habit if you have inbuilt within you. So it's a gift. It's a gift from God. You can, I must say. So congratulations for that. All right. I have another question for you. So you said that you have started your YouTube channel, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
you keep uploading videos on this platform. So I want to know from where you get the idea to start your own YouTube channel, and you got the confidence that okay, I can do it.
There is a time, ma'am, when I was used to watch motivational videos on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
And one of my ideal is Sandeep Maheswari sir. I love to watch him on YouTube, and I watch most of videos only of Sandeep sir.
Okay. All right.
And yeah, I got one video recently on YouTube, and that was of Mr. technical support.
Mm-hmm.
That is the YouTube channel name.
All right.
So yeah, I respect, and apart from respect, he become a millionaire as well
Okay. All right.
by the help of YouTube. He worked hard. He did best, and
Mm-hmm.
now he's too much famous. Tech champion support.
All right. So you got motivation from him.
I inspired by him, and then I thought, yeah, I must should start my own YouTube channel, as I want to learn English as well as I want to improve. So YouTube can be a good platform for me to enhance my language because I can get some good people over there.
Correct. 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 Which those people can help you in order to be better, right? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your English language learning journey, what is the toughest or the biggest challenge you have encountered so far? If you want to
That
share,
yeah,
yeah.
ma'am. Yeah, I got your point, ma'am. The toughest challenge which I have faced, that is getting partner for practicing English, because when I was in class 8th, at that time I was also very excited to have a conversation,
Mm-hmm.
and whenever I try to speak with my villagers, my
Mm-hmm.
village friends, they had no time or interest to speak with me in English.
Mm-hmm.
So little bit I was demotivated at that time, but after 8 I got a smartphone. My parents gave me smartphone on my birthday.
Hmm. Okay.
So yeah, I downloaded one app name I have also today remembered. The app name is Hello app.
All
Hello
right.
speak English.
Okay.
So I done practice with lots of people. I used to go live. I was communicating with 3 people over video call. Yeah, one by one everyone was speaking in my live stream.
Okay. So now you have got people to practice and to communicate. So your problem has
Yeah,
resolved.
and this is possible only because of internet.
Yes, yes, yes. Even I can, I can understand your feeling because exactly the same obstacle I had gone through when I was seeking, partner to speak to practice English because the first challenge I was facing that was uh, I wasn't aware how to start practice. I mean, how I was having that understanding that I know grammar, I know tenses, but I cannot speak English. Why I feel too much fear while speaking to stranger people. So these was some feeling, some fear I had. Then eventually I came to know that okay, you need to start speaking. I got this guidance from somewhere. Then the another problem was to whom to talk, right? So being a girl or being a woman, it is very tough for us to find right kind of speaking partner. So I can understand. But yes, because of the internet, because of this YouTube platform, and because of those people who are coming and sharing their experiences and everything, we are able to come and we are able to choose this platform to speak, right? Otherwise people used to think that only if you are good to something, if you have enough knowledge, then only you can use this platform to share your knowledge to others. But right now this platform became like you can start your speaking practice online, right? You can
Yes.
speak with people, and so this is very good thing, I guess. So I can understand, I can completely understand your feeling. All right. And what about your YouTube channel? I mean, I must say that you have been facing so many obstacles and problems regarding creating videos and different aspect of uploading videos. So I just want to know from your side, what is your experience about YouTube and creating videos and uploading videos?
Yes, ma'am, I would be glad to express about my experience.
Mm-hmm.
So if I talk about myself, ma'am, so yeah, I face so many problems while editing videos. Making video is not tough deal because we do a session on Skype and it will be automatically recorded once we click on record button.
All right.
Yeah, after that, the most important thing comes, that is editing.
Mm-hmm.
How I can make my video more attractive so that watchers can enjoy my video.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there is so many animations which people used to do in their videos. So I learned from YouTube how can I do animations, how can I change my videos background.
All right.
So after that, yeah, my video is currently, if you go and watch my any video, ma'am, you
Mm-hmm.
will find videos are completely look like good because I have edited in a very good way.
All right.
And yeah, ma'am, I'm using Pixlab app to make thumbnails
Mm-hmm.
and KineMaster I have to edit videos.
All right. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Okay. Any other application apart from these tools and device applications?
Yes, ma'am, I also use PixArt. PixArt helped me to build a very professional logo for my channel. Even apart from logo, I can create thumbnail as well. Any
All
photo
right.
I can edit.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did you say? What is the name of the application?
PixArt, ma'am. PixArt.
PixArt, right? All
Yes, ma'am.
okay. All right. All right. Ravi, one thing I just want to tell you that you are speaking very good in a good manner. But
Thank you.
why are you so serious? I mean, why are you not having smile wholeheartedly? I mean, I feel that you are suppressing yourself. Why are you not smiling openly? Just carry uh, a little big smile. I could say you are carrying a tiny smile, but I want you to carry a big smile on your face. If you do this, I think if you do this, you would look more handsome.
Yeah, surely, ma'am. I would love to do it. And I will do as well.
Right now, I can see that. See, you are looking more handsome. So, yeah.
So
All
much,
right.
ma'am.
Ravi, do you have any question for me? I mean, if you want to ask something, you can ask, and then we will wrap up the session.
Sure, ma'am. I wanted to know, ma'am, about WhatsApp group which you had told me when I had sent you the message. So may I know, ma'am, when you are going to add me in group because I'm super excited to meet with new peoples for practicing English with them.
Okay, so yeah, I have a separate group for boys. So in that group, you will only find boys. So you can do your practice. So I will add you today itself. So don't worry about that. And you just need to give your introduction, a brief introduction over there, and then you can start your practice. So you will get enough amount of people, so you can practice in a good manner. Yeah, so don't worry about that.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much for helping me.
All right, Ravi, thank you so much for joining this session. And I just want to say that please continue your practice, whatever you are doing, and best of luck for your future endeavor. All right.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. I will do.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too, you too. Bye bye.
Yeah, ma'am.